Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use refund codes for Blox fruits. Alright, let's begin. Refund codes in Blox fruits allow you to reset your stat points so you can reassign them however you want. To use a refund code, open the menu, go to Stats, and you'll see a refund button once a valid code is redeemed. Currently, one working refund code is KIT Reset, all in uppercase. Go to the Twitter icon on the left side of your screen, type in KIT Reset, then click Redeem. If the code is valid, you'll receive one stat refund, and all your stat points will reset back to 0, letting you redistribute them however you like. Another code that works is Sub to Uncle Kizaru. Type it exactly like that, no spaces, with matching capital letters, and redeem it the same way. If the code is still active, it will also grant you one stat refund. If you've already used it, the system will notify you that it's already redeemed. If you redeem multiple codes, the refunds are stored and can be used anytime. You don't have to apply them right away. They won't disappear or be overwritten. Using these codes gives you more flexibility in adjusting your build, especially if you're trying out a new strategy or switching fruit types. So that's basically how you can use refund codes for Blox fruits. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.